Get the ultimate in truck lighting and safety with Rough Country's ditch mount LED lights. These high-performance ditch mount LED lights are specifically designed for your Toyota Tundra to add extra side lighting for increased visibility in the dark. With multi-angle capability, you can move them in the direction you want. Our low-profile design means that they won't affect the opening or closing of your hood or block your windshield wipers, so you can hit the trails in style with superior nighttime illumination. These Tundra ditch mount LEDs were designed to withstand the harsh outdoor elements while providing you with clear visibility. Constructed with a 7-gauge material for improved strength and reduced vibration that can occur on bumpy roads. This light boasts a durable black finish powder coating against corrosion. With an IP67 waterproof rating, they're great for any vehicle, whether on or off-road. The Rough Country Tundra ditch mount LED lights are the perfect combination of performance and style, offering a high-quality lighting solution without taking up valuable space on the front of your vehicle. This kit includes a complete set of mounting brackets that feature our limited lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured knowing you're covered. Rough Country's Tundra ditch mount LED lights. Get yours today.